natural health for beginners.
Discover the power of arnica with this easy-to-follow guide on crafting your own healing cream. Perfect for soothing aches, bruises, and minor skin irritations, this DIY Arnica cream combines natural ingredients for effective relief. Learn the exact quantities to ensure consistency and potency every time. Why Arnica? Overview of Arnica's healing properties: anti-inflammatory, pain relief, and skin repair benefits. Ideal uses: muscle soreness, swelling, and bruises. Ingredients you'll need: exact quantities for a reliable recipe: Arnica-infused oil, 50 ml, Beeswax, 10 g, Shea butter, 20 g, vitamin E oil, 5 drops, optional, for preservation and skin health. Essential oils, optional 5 to 10 drops of lavender or eucalyptus for added benefits. Step-by-step process: melting. Combine beeswax and shea butter in a double boiler and melt over low heat. Mixing. Gradually add arnica-infused oil, stirring to blend. Finishing touches. Remove from heat and mix in vitamin E and essential oils. Pouring. Transfer the mixture into a sterilized jar and let it solidify at room temperature. Storage tips: store in a cool, dry place for up to 6 months. Ensure the lid is tightly closed to maintain freshness. Usage instructions: apply a small amount to the affected area 2 to 3 times daily. Avoid open wounds or broken skin. Conclusion: making Arnica cream at home ensures a natural, chemical-free remedy tailored to your needs. Share this video with friends and family who love DIY health and skincare solutions. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.